Hey, well, hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I got my Kino Lorber summer sale package in, and figure I'd do an unboxing for you guys. So let's get the unboxing going. Yeah. I think I ordered eight titles, I believe. I'm sure some of them will come in slipcovers, some of them won't. It's going to be a surprise. I did pick up two 4Ks. So let's start what's in the box here. Ants. I'm pretty sure this is starring Suzanne Summers as a guest. Have not seen this movie in years. They used to play this all the time on broadcast TV. This cost about $10. It was a pretty good sale. Most of everything was either $10. The 4Ks were okay, like maybe 18 to 19 bucks each. I guess this one didn't come with a slipcover. There you go. I have not brought a Kino Lorber title since last year. I think it was Cannibal Apocalypse, if I remember correctly. Got Leviathan in 4K. I think this one cost about 18 bucks. This is another one I haven't seen in years, since the rental days. Never owned it on physical media. Comes with a Blu-ray and a 4K. Another 4K, Career Opportunities. It came with the slipcover. I love Jennifer Connelly. I think the sale ends the 21st. Let me see my calendar here yet. 21st. I keep telling Kino, please put artwork on your disc. I don't think they're ever going to change. I got another slipcover here. Kingdom of the Spiders with William Shatner. But it did come with the slipcover. I think this is my first. This is a new Kino Cult title. This is my first one. Nice poster on there. Ah, this is different. And you do get some artwork on the other side of the insert. I like that they put the title right there. That's interesting. All right, another one with a slipcover here. The Food of the Gods. I think this stars Joan Collins, if I'm not mistaken. She makes a guest appearance. I think this is the one. But beautiful artwork on it. Another movie I used to catch all the time on broadcast TV. Same artwork. Yeah. I like that they put the title fonts on here. It does come with the other side of the insert. I'm assuming that's the original poster. Another Kino Cult, Frogs. Ray Miller, Sam Elliott. You sense a theme here, right? Animals attack. I like that. Very nice. Looks like the original poster. I like this one better. I'm sure some of these will come out in 4K eventually. All right, what else? Another Kino cult. Squirm. Man, I haven't seen this one in years. I think the last time was in the 80s I saw this. Beautiful artwork on that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm starting to like this new style right here. With the black in the background. Other side. And the last one is Empire of the Ants. I was wrong. This is Joan Collins' movie. Yep. Beautiful artwork on it though. Joan Collins, before she became famous on Dynasty. These were all pretty much low budget films. Other side of the insert. Kind of like that one too. So all together, guys, is 8 titles. Let's go over them. It's Ants. I'm not sure if this came with a slipcover. Let me know. I'm pretty sure Leviathan came with a slipcover. Career Opportunities. Kingdom of the Spiders. William Shatner. The Food of the Gods. I was wrong about this one. I thought this was the Joan Collins one. Frogs. Squirm. And it says Joan Collins right on top. Empire of the Ants. Well, that's it, guys. But hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.